Hello everyone, my name is Amandeep Kaur. Today I'm making Sprint 3 video and this is our Sprint 3 and it's the last sprint. So we are making the final video for the sprint. So here first of all I would like to share my screen with my website. So this one is the home page and it will show all of the information regarding our project. And first of all it shows home, about us, contact us, and login. Like we can know what about our project and how can we log in. So if someone have question, they can contact us. First of all I want to log in. After login it will show the front page of our project. There we can, so that's the admin homepage. Like the main purpose is our project is to make orders, get quotations, and manage all of the orders and see all the quotations. So first of all there is all staff, all clients, all products, all quotations. And finally if we want to log out our website, so then we can go back. So I want to log in, I want to show all clients. Yeah, in all clients we can see it will show all of the information regarding our clients. So here we have included company name, ABN address, and the contact person name. And we also include the email ID and phone number. Like we can get the information, we can contact through email or mobile number to the client. So if I want to add new client, we can in just basic include the company name, company ABN, company address, and contact person first name and last name, then email ID and phone number. So finally we can add client and it will show in the client list. And next one I would like to show all products. Here you can see like it's a list of all our projects, which one we have included in our project. So first we include image, name of the product, price, and quantity, like how many products they have, they want to order, and they we have in stock. So we can also edit and delete. Like if we want to change the price of this product, so we can simply click edit and we can change the name, we can also change the price. And if the quantity in the low stock, so we can change the quantity. So customers can see on our website and they can know like how many they want to order and how many we have in stock. So this one is the product website, product page. So I want to open all quotations. That's the next page of our project. So in quotation we can see there is the quotation ID, like it will unique for every customer. And we can select the client like by name. When it shows the select client, it means we can get the list of our current clients. And then we can see all the products in the quotation, like which quotation we have generated and which quotation is it will show in our project. So ID, date of request, client name, client email, and total price. These entities are included in our quotation page. So finally I want to open the admin homepage where we can see the company revenue, like how many orders they have made. And I want to log in on that page. So I'm putting that email and I will simply log into the director page. Yeah, and that's the director homepage. Like it's the, we include the graph. Me and my group members have included the just the basic information, it will directly shows the how many orders and how much revenue we can get from our from our website. So it will shows the total revenue from clients, and by the graph it will show the exact quantity, like we can just simply get the information regarding our product, like which products are more popular and which one they want to order. So that's it. I want to stop now. Thank you so much for watching this video.